vehicle bumper roll forming machine is in complete production line, which can produce the finished auto bumpers for the car front and rear anti-collision beam on various cars and trucks. The whole process of this line including uncoiling, leveling, shear and butt welding, stowage loops, servo feeding, punching holes, loop roll forming, roll spot welding, cutting arc bending, and cutting out feed of finished products. The line is patent products and have several successful cases in many big automobile manufacturers over the world.